So the report what we are preparing is to communicate what you have found out to others for further use, for critical and in-depth evaluation by others. So a reference point for others, and as an end product of a research process that you are trying to prepare a research report. So types, if we are again explaining about, so oral report and written reports are the two things what is available for you. And written report, if we are again talking about, it can be converted into three: technical report, official administrative report, and popular report. We will be explaining one after the other. Technical report usually prepared by specialists for specialists who are interested in the subject matter of the report. All technical words, jargons, everything will be there in that. The entire report will be framed in compliance with the technical report writing format. So everything will be based on the technical report writing format. So popular report, this is a type of report exactly mentioned for the common or layman. Just contains the highlights, recommendations or findings prepared in most simple language, understandable to the general public without any sort of ambiguity. So without giving any sort of ambiguity, what we are trying to say is very simple language. We will be reporting all those things what you have found out in a layman's language. Official and administrative report prepared for the use of the top officials or administrators, mainly concerned for decision making. These are the types of reports what we are having. So other differentiation based on the approach is like journalist report, business report, inquiry report, project report, dissertation, thesis report. Different types of reports are there based on the approach what we are trying to take for that. So steps or stages in research report writing. The first stage is you have to plan everything in advance. Fix the target date for completion. So a time-based manner that you have to go on. Report writing should not be put to the last hour. It should not go until the last hour. Design the overall layout. You need to design the overall layout. Design the content outline. You need to think on what all content should be there inside the report. Prepare a rough report initially. Try to go through that. Try to understand what all things are there, what all additions that you should make, and what all deletions that you should make. You have to be very specific on to that. Rewrite the rough report on the basis of revision, correction, and expert opinion. So rewrite it so you can show it to experts, you can show it to other interested parties. So you need to accommodate their own suggestions onto that, so that you can have more clarity onto such aspects. Prepare the final bibliography, writing the final draft, arranging the papers in order, proper binding. So it's a 10-step process where you can follow.